Crowd also gathered at Esplanade Park. In attendance was State Senator Lauren Book and Congresswoman Debbie Wasserman Schultz. Local 10's Roy Ramos continues our live team coverage from Fort Lauderdale with their reaction. Roy.
Nicole, a few hundred people here in attendance at Esplanade Park here in Fort Lauderdale to voice their concerns, but more importantly, to protest this decision by the Supreme Court today. In attendance, as you mentioned, a few politicians who believe this overruling was a step in the wrong direction.
We will not go back.
A crowd of passionate pro-choice supporters gathering at Fort Lauderdale's Esplanade Park in the span of just hours after learning Roe v. Wade was overturned by the Supreme Court Friday, ending 50 years of women's constitutional rights to an abortion.
This decision rolls back the freedom that we fought so hard for.
The decision prompting outrage, with protesters carrying signs that read, "My body, my choice. We will not go back and keep abortion safe and legal."
You've got a Republican-appointed majority Supreme Court that tore women's rights away, and it's only the beginning.
Congresswoman Debbie Wasserman Schultz addressing the crowd with Senator Lauren Book and about a dozen other pro-choice advocates. Senator Book with this message for women who feel they may be left with no other alternatives.
That they can still get legal and safe abortions in the state of Florida today, tomorrow, and starting July 1st up until 15 weeks.
In Florida, Governor Ron DeSantis has pushed through a 15-week ban on abortions that is expected to go into effect July 1st. This likely to severely restrict abortions for women in Florida, but lawmakers I spoke with worry this Supreme Court ruling may be just the beginning.
The sponsors of the bill talked about wanting to make it more restrictive.
Women's lives will be in jeopardy. It's unacceptable, but we can change it.
And when we spoke with Congresswoman Debbie Wasserman Schultz, she says the one way that they can change it, at least at the state level, is by voting for candidates that support reproductive freedom. For now in Fort Lauderdale, Roy Ramos, Local 10 News.